Please join me in welcoming our friend of the brand, Sara Ali Khan, as she dons gorgeous this evening.
Thank you very much. Namaste Bangalore, thank you so much for having me. Connection between me and the moon. So I think
gimbal.
Prima Luna is the answer.
Lovely. So Sara, you've just come back from a lovely European vacation. What is a good vacation for you?
I think unwinding. You can always wear your Longines watch, but try to lose track of time while you do that if you can, you know. Little bit of just letting go and nature. I went to Switzerland, as you know. You sent me to the Longines factory. And I think just seeing how people work and do such lovely work, but in such a beautiful environment also. I love nature, and I think that was just a perfect holiday and a little work.
Amazing, thank you. My last question, Sara. What is your most favorite moment with Longines?
Well, honestly, I think I'm just thrilled to be a friend of the brand, you know. Coming to cities that I've been to before, whether it's Delhi, whether it's Hyderabad, whether it's now Bangalore, but coming with this brand. I think it's not so much about visiting new places as much as it's just lending a new lens to those same places, you know, and seeing just how everybody loves Longines, even in India. It's just amazing to come to different cities and watch that pulse.
So thank you. Each flower has its own character, its own story, and its own way of captivating you. Let me begin with a collection that's stormed the world, the Hydro Conquest, a timepiece where aesthetics meet performance, bold in its presence, powerful in character, and designed for those who seek adventure. Moving from the spirit of adventure to the spirit of heritage, we have the exceptional Legend Diver, a tribute to the rich diving legacy of Longines, beautifully reimagined, a watch that carries the past with a pride. And then for our younger friends, those who believe that style should move with them, we have the Conquest, versatile, dynamic, and contemporary. And last, but certainly not the least, our beautiful ode to womanhood, the Prima Luna. Inspired by the poetic connection between time and the moon, Prima Luna is a celebration of femininity, grace, and timeless beauty. And this evening, this special timepiece finds its perfect muse, someone who embodies grace, style, and elegance.
Everyone, I'm Sharjeel, Director of Zimson. I'm here to welcome you all to the opening of our Longines boutique at Mall of Asia, Bangalore, and Phoenix Market City, Bangalore. We have the opening of two of our boutiques over here. This is our third boutique in Bangalore and seventh boutique in Zimson Group. Today we also had the pleasure of having Sara Ali Khan, popular Bollywood actor in Bangalore, for the boutique opening, and along with the Longines team. I invite you all to have a look at the boutique and visit the boutique, and thank you all and have a great evening.